In this video, let's unbox and see about MOMA brand's Lark A1 microphone. I bought this mic from AliExpress. Check the buy link in video description. This Lark A1 model is for using with Type-C port of laptop, tablet, and smartphones. This comes with a carrying bag. This model comes with one transmitter and one receiver. Receiver is Type-C and it is connected to Type-C port of laptop, tablet, and smartphones. We need to charge the transmitter using this white charging dock. This Lark A1 also has another model which comes with two transmitters and one receiver, stored inside black charging case box.